Hey.
Take a Bud Light seltzer.
Yeah, sure thing.
What's this?
It's Bud Light Seltzer Mango.
Mango.
Mango? Have we tried that before?
I don't know. Check the memory bank.
Nothing.
Must be new.
All right, let's drink this, puppy.
Sip initiated.
Tastes like mango!
Taste buds approved?
Let's show we like it.
Commencing happy face.
Oh,
too much.
That's better.
That's better. Has the seltzer reached the stomach yet?
Yeah, we're looking at 100 calories down here.
And what do we got from the nose?
I'm getting mango! Definitely mango!
All right, let's check with the spleen.
Go for spleen.
Why?
You're right. Cancel the spleen.
No, wait.
Sir, the taste buds are ready for another sip.
Hey, can I be a taste bud too?
No.
I want to be a taste bud.
Shut up, spleen.
Yeah, shut up, spleen.
Yeah, shut up, spleen. Sorry, I'm just talking to my spleen.
Bud Light Seltzer, unquestionably good.